Hey guys, Jesse here, High Performance Earthworks. Just got done digging some test pits in Netherland, Colorado, out by Barker Reservoir. You can see it out there through the trees behind me. See the field of white out there is Barker Reservoir, frozen over. I'm gonna take you guys over and show you the test pits. Basically, I put them right down here. We got the topo map I was reading to try to make sure I got these into the right spot. I got a little bench cut out right here. I believe this bench cut where I'm parked is on the property of the customer. Got another house right up here, up the hill. There's no wells here, so we don't have to deal with a setback off the well. This is city water. There's no city sewer here though, so we're doing septic, obviously. But basically, we got this other little bench, kind of a natural bench here in the topography of the landscape. You can see there's a seasonal stream right down there through the trees where it kind of starts to dive over. See if I can show you right about there. There's a line, and we looked up the regulation and the setback. That's the seasonal stream. So our setback for the leach field soil treatment area, aka STA, is 25 feet. So that's what we did. We went ahead and came up off of there as far as we could before we get up onto this road and this little bench cut here, and then the toe of this fill section coming down here. And then if we could start our STA right here, go over 12 feet, come over this way, however long that needs to be, 50 feet or so, and then come up this way and over. And our soil, and here's our profile holes, which I will be wrapping some caution tape around in the trees here, just for good measure, make sure these holes stay safe. And we got a ramp coming up out of these holes. The protocol is 8 feet or groundwater or rock or bucket refusal, whichever comes first. I got about 7 feet here, as you can see. It started to get hard down there in the bottom. I could probably dig through it and fight it a little bit more without too much issue. But I went ahead and called it quits there. That's enough depth for us to have a good soil treatment area. Here's our material that came out of the ground there. It's pretty sandy. There is a little bit of rock, a little bit of consolidated rock in there, but for the most part, it's really decomposed granite, sandy, decomposed granite. Here's the other hole. This one dug out a little bit easier, very sandy material. It's possible that this could be sandy material, enough of a proportion of sand to rock to where we wouldn't necessarily even need to import sand, but that's going to be up to the engineers. So Tim and Eric, you guys can see what you think with these holes and this layout, where I got this thing positioned. I think we're in a good spot right here. I think we got good soil. We'll probably pump up to this field depending on where on the property this house goes and the tank goes and everything else, but we are limited kind of by the stream over here, the drainage, and then Barker Reservoir down there. That's that. Check us out, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, do all that good stuff. Check out some of our other videos, highlights of the day in the life of a Rocky Mountain excavator. There's our rig, one of our rigs. Setup.